Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ubaid Laghari, student of Business Administration, Best Giver to K17, Sindhi University Campus Larkana. Today we are going to discuss about the strategic decisions, that what strategic decisions is and why business should follow the strategic decision. As well as we will also discuss and describe the importance and what are the strategic decisions. Second topic is the concept of quality, that what quality is and why it is necessary that quality should be included in the different products and services. Another topic is joint venture system, that why the different businesses doing the business as a combined. Another topic we have, that is the Six Sigma concept based on the quality. So these contents we will discuss in this lecture. So in the era of competition and globalization, business had so many challenges regarding the growth and development as well as the success of the business. Strategic decisions and timely decisions can be useful for the business because with the passage of time, market as well as the whole system of market and the demand of customer gets changes because of the new trend, because of the technology, because of the new brands. So however, these strategic decisions play the most significant role towards the success of the business. If we talk about the definition of particular word, strategic decisions, it means such a kind of decisions that are taken for the long term. So here are some strategic decisions that are analysis. So first decision is the design of goods and services. Now in this decision, in this strategy, businesses focuses on the operations as well as what are the raw materials is required to produce their operations, as well as what will be the features and design of the products and services. So in this strategy, organization focuses the design of the goods and services that should be offered in efficient and effective way. Another strategy is the location strategy. So the location strategy plays the most important role in the success of business because the most of the organizations fails because of the wrong selection in location. So the location involves a huge cost because the one decision that can be result of huge loss, as well as it also involves the so many risks that business has to face in order to the fail of this strategy. So if we talk about the location strategy, so many businesses are focusing on the according to the customer's point of view as well as the supplier's point of view, because they want to reach their customers easily and they can communicate with the suppliers more efficient and effective way. And another strategy is the process of production. So in this strategy, business has focused on the production of goods and services, that how to produce, whom to produce, where to produce, for what to whom to produce, for what to produce. So this strategy involves the overall production system that goods and services should be produced, as well as this strategy involves the budgeting system, that what will be budgeted, that what will be the budget for the production of goods and services, what will be the time required, as well as what technology we have to use to produce the goods and services. So another strategy is the managing quality. Quality is the key tool that should be provided to the customers in shape of goods and services. So the quality plays the most significant role in the success of the business, because when you offer this quality to the customers, means the customers are satisfied from your products. Most of the businesses focuses on the expectation of customers, that what customers wants to us. Another strategy is the HRM strategy. So in this strategy, organization focuses in their whole HRM activities, like in the recruitment and selection process and the other process that are concerned with the HRM strategy. And another strategy is the marketing strategy. So 80% of the 80% business success business depends on the marketing, that how you are marketing of your business. So the marketing strategy involves the different kinds of strategy, like 4 P's, like we have promotion strategy. So in this strategy, businesses focuses on the overall areas regarding to the market as well as the promotion tools. So this is the concept of strategic decision, and what are the some strategic decision. Now if we talk about the importance of the strategic decisions, it will provide the satisfaction to the customers, because when you take the timely decisions, that can be useful for your business, as well as that can be very useful for to the maintain the market shares as well as to maintain the customers. Now let's talk about the factors that can influence your decision. So the most of the factor that can influence your business is the economic factor. In the economic factor, say suppose if you have launched your business in such an area where is no demand of the customer, you can say that where is where the person who are living, they have a less per capita income. So the economic risk can be involved while you are going to open your business. So another factor that can influence your business, that can influence your decision, is globalization. Whenever business wants expansion himself, it means they have involved the huge loss, huge cost. It means they faces the different risks. So the globalization also so globalization is also a factor that can influence your decision. And the last one is the market and government policy. So the rotation of government policies that can also affect your business, such as changes in the policy of taxation, changes in the policy of policy and rules regulation of the operating business. So another area is the market. So the market, due to the market competition where you are going to start your business, say suppose if you have launched the business in such an area where is a huge competition, these are the factors that can influence your business. So this was the concept of strategic decisions, and what are the some strategies, as well as the importance of strategic decisions, as well as the factors that can influence the strategic decisions. So another concept is, and another topic is the quality as well as the strategies that business has to follow in order to improve their qualities in the different products and services. So let's talk about the quality, that what quality is. So in the simple words, you can say the quality is the combination of different features that are included in the product and services. So here are the some strategies that organization has to follow in order to improve their quality in the products and services. So first strategy is the know the customer. Customer is the key point. Whenever you are going to launch any product, that should be quality should be included in that kind of product and services that could be meet with the expectation of customer. So maintaining the customer, it is necessary that quality should be included in the products and services. So another strategy is the take timely decision. So taking the timely decision is the most important tool towards the success of the business, because the rapid changes in the technology, rapid changes in the market, and due to the competition, so customers demand is getting changed day by day, and their wants, their needs are changing with the passage of time period. So it is necessary to take the timely decision so that the company can maintain their customers through the different products and services. Another strategy that organization has to follow is empower the employees. Now employees are the key assets of the organization. If they are well satisfied and well trained, they could be the productive asset for the organization. So organization has to follow and work on this kind of strategy in order to improve their skills, improve the skills of their employees, so that they can satisfy, so they can work more efficient and more effective. Another strategy is that selection of technology. So you can see in the market that different brands are coming, and the high competition is available in the market due to the enhancement of technology. So before going to launch any kind of product and services, it is necessary to choose the right selection of we can say the technology that could be your competitive advantage, because nowadays it plays the most significant role in the products and services. Another topic is the importance of building quality. So if we talk about the one of the greatest advantages to build the quality and importance of quality is that to get the competitive advantage. Means if you have the good quality in the products and services, it means you have the competitive advantage that other have not. So the basic advantages of building the quality is to get the competitive advantage. Another advantages of the maintaining the quality is the maintain the customer. If you are providing the good quality and efficient and effective quality to your customers, it means they will be maintained by the different policies and different we can say the different we can say the quality in the goods and services. Another importance is increase the positive image, because nowadays you can see if the different brands are coming in the market. So the quality is the key tool that could be create the more strong image in the mind of customer. So by providing the quality, you can maintain and you can create and increase the more positive image in the mind of customer. At the end, the objective will be achieved whenever you are providing to the quality. We are going to calculate the productivity as well as the what productivity is. So the productivity is the total output that you have gotten by your input. Whatever you have inputted, you got the result. We can say the productivity is the result that you have gotten from your input. So it can be calculated by the formula of total units that has been produced by the employees, total units that has been produced by the employees, and total hours, total time period, we can say the total hours that has been used in order to produce the goods and services, total hours that has been used in order to produce the goods and services. So say suppose the employees has produced the 10 units and the hours that has been used, that is 5. So when we divide the 10 is our total unit. When we divide the 10 divided by total hours that has been used in order to produce these 10 units, we will get the productivity as per hour. So when we divide the 10 with a 5, answer will come 2. Now this 2 is our productivity that has been produced in 1 hour. So the third topic is the concept of Six Sigma. Basically, this concept was given by one of the multinational company in the world, that is the Motorola company. So Motorola company gave the concept of Six Sigma by showing the 6 and the symbol of statistics, that we can say the sigma. So basically the purpose of this concept is that it is a generally accepted concept in order to improve the quality that should be less defective of 99.999. It means the purity of quality in your product and services is less defective of 99.999. This graph and this concept shows that the purity and the quality should be given in the different products and services. So this is the basically simple concept of Six Sigma that was given by one of the multinational company, that is the Motorola company. So if we talk about the purpose of the Six Sigma concept, basically the main purpose is that it is a generally accepted principles that organization has to follow in order to improve their quality. So the Six Sigma shows the concept that organization has to follow the pattern, we can say the path, in order to improve the quality. However, we can say the purpose, the reason behind this concept is that you should improve the quality that should be included in the products and services. So this is the purpose of Six Sigma concept. The fourth and last topic is the joint venture system, as well as the concept of joint venture system, and what are some examples of joint venture system, and what are the main reasons of joint business, as well as what are the advantages of joint venture system. So first of all, let's talk about the joint venture system. So joint venture system means the two or more organizations are doing the business as a combinedly. That is the joint venture system. So one of the great example is the Jazz and Warid. So So these both companies are doing the business as jointly. There are so many reasons behind the joint venture system. So another example of Sony and Rexon. These two companies are performing and providing the different kinds of products and services in the market. Basically, there are so many reasons behind the joint venture system. So if we talk about the first reason is that due to the high competition, they are not surviving in the market. So that's why they decided to merge with another company. Another reason behind the joint venture system is that due to the less of technology, we can say due to the lack of resources, so that's why the company decided to merge with another multinational company. So this was the main reason of joint venture system. One of the great advantages of the joint venture system is that when you are merging with another and multinational company, so your labor will be skillful and the product of your product and services will be maintained, as well as we can say that the customers that you have, it will be maintained by the merging of one of the multinational company. So this was all about the strategic decisions and what are the strategic decisions, what is the importance of strategic decisions. We also discussed about the quality and its process that organization has to follow in order to improve the quality, as well as we also discussed about the concept of Six Sigma and joint venture system. Thank you.